Hey everyone, this is Nisha Chauhan and you're watching Scienceaholic. In today's video, we will be discussing about the most important MCQs of chapter number 3, that is Atoms and Molecule of class 9s. In last video, we have discussed about the mole concept numericals. If you have not seen that video, you just go in my playlist and you can watch. So let's start the video. Question number 1. Valency of noble gas is, options are A 1, B 0, C 2 and D none of the above. These are the four options. So the correct answer is B, that is 0. Valency of noble gas is 0 because noble gas का octet complete होता है and because of that don't participate in any chemical reaction and they always show valency 0. Coming to the question number 2, that is the formula of quicklime is, first option calcium chloride, calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So the formula of quicklime, it's calcium oxide. It is also called quicklime. So the option D is correct. Come on to the question number 3. 1U or 1 atomic mass unit means, options are 1 by 12 the mass of C12 atom, B mass of C12 atom, C mass of oxygen 16 atom, D mass of hydrogen atom. So 1 atomic mass unit is always equals to 1 by 12 the mass of 1 atom of carbon atom. So it's called 1 atomic mass unit. So option A is the correct answer. So let's see question number 4. Molecular mass is defined as the, first option, mass of one molecule of any substance compared with the mass of one atom of carbon, 12. B option, mass of one atom compared with the mass of one atom of hydrogen. Option C, mass of one atom compared with the mass of one molecule. And D, none of the above. So the molecular mass, it's mass of one molecule of any substance compared with the mass of one atom of C12. This is the correct answer. So option A is the correct. Now let's see question number 5. The molecular formula of potassium nitrate is, these are the four options. A KNO3, B KNO, C KNO2, D KON. Now you know that when we form any compound, we need ions. So this is positive ion, that is cation, and this is an ion. So the valency of potassium is positive 1 and the valency of nitrate it's negative 1. After combining these two ions, we'll get KNO3. So the formula of potassium nitrate is KNO3. So option A is correct. Come on to the question number 6. An element X is divalent and another element Y is tetravalent. The compound formed by these two elements will be, options are A XY, B XY2, C X2Y and D XY4. These are the four options. Let's see how. So here they have given X is divalent, so I have written valency 2, and Y it's tetravalent, that's why I have written the valency of Y element negative 4. So let's cross the valencies. इसकी valency यहाँ पर write करेंगे, इसकी valency यहाँ write करेंगे. After crossing the valency, let's divide 2 1. So here answer will be 2 and here answer 1. So इसके नीचे 2 आएगा, x के नीचे, so that's why x2 हो जाएगा and then y 1 time हो जाएगा. So the formula will be x2y. So the option C is correct. Let's see question number 7. 1 mole of water contain how many molecules of water? Now these are the options: 6.022 into 10 to the power 21, B 6.022 into 10 to the power 20, 6.022 into 20 to the power 22 and D option 6.022 into 20 to the power 23. So these are the four options. Now you know that 1 mole of any molecule is equals to the Avogadro number and that is equals to the molecular mass of any molecule. So यहाँ पर वाटर का निकालना है. So हम वाटर का निकालने के लिए molecular mass of water is equals to 1 mole is equals to Avogadro number. So molecular mass of water is 18 gram. After calculating 18 gram, it will come is equals to 1 mole is equals to Avogadro number. It means 1 mole और 18 grams of water में कितने number of molecules होते हैं? So Avogadro का number कितना होता है? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole of वाटर में 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules होते हैं. So this will be the answer. So D option is the correct. Now come on to the question number 8. All noble gas molecules are, options are monoatomic, diatomic, C option triatomic and D both A and B. Now you know that noble gas are the inert gas. They are non-reactive. They don't participate in any chemical reaction because उनका complete होता है octet. That's why वो always valency 0 show करते हैं. And because of that उनका जो atom होता है वो monoatomic होता है. So the answer A will be correct. Monoatomic. Noble gases are monoatomic in nature. Come on to the question number 9. The valency of nitrogen is in NH3 is. Options are A1, B3, C4 and D5. So the correct answer of this is 3. Let's see how. When we form any compound, we need ions. So this is cation and this is nitrogen anion. So now you know that the valency of nitrogen is 3 negative and the valency of hydrogen is H positive, means 1. So let's cross the valencies. इसकी valency यहाँ पर, इसकी valency यहाँ पर. नाउ n के नीचे कितना है 1, सो n 1 टाइम आएगा. एंड हाइड्रोजन के नीचे 3 है, 3 टाइम आएगा. सो NH3, दिस विल बी द फॉर्मूला. इट मीन्स फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन सी दैट द वैलेंसी ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इज 3. सो द बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. कम ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. एटोमिसिटी ऑफ क्लोरीन एंड आर्गन इज. ऑप्शंस आर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए डायटोमिक एंड मोनोएटोमिक, B monoatomic and diatomic, C both monoatomic. So now you know that chlorine, the electronic configuration of chlorine is 2 7. Now in last shell chlorine needs 1 electron and because of that chlorine combines with other chlorine or any other atom. That's why chlorine always be in diatomic in nature. And argon, you know that argon is a noble gas and noble gas का octet complete होता है and because of that उनकी valency 0 होती है and don't take any participate in any chemical reaction and that's why they always be in monoatomic in nature. So the first answer of this question is correct, diatomic and monoatomic. Now let's see question number 11. The atomic mass of sodium is 23. The number of moles in 46 grams of sodium. यहाँ पर atomic mass sodium का दिया हुआ है 23 and हमको number of moles निकालना है कि 46 grams में कितने number of moles होते हैं. हमें ये relation always याद रखना पड़ेगा children, that atomic mass is equals to 1 mole is equals to Avogadro's number. 1 mole कितना होता है equal to Avogadro number के and that equals to atomic mass. So atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram. Here they have given 23 grams. We have written equals to 1 mole. And that equals to Avogadro's number. So 23 is just the double of 46. You can see from here, if 23 is 1 mole, it means 46 gram is equals to 2 mole. It means the answer B is the correct answer, that is 2. So this is the answer. Now let's see question number 12. What is the formula mass unit of zinc oxide? Now the formula mass unit is just the addition of atomic mass of all the atom present in any molecule. It's called formula mass unit. So now let's see, these are the options: A 18U, B 81U, C 88U and D 188U. So the correct answer is B. Let's see how. Atomic mass of all, we will add all the atomic masses. So the zinc, atomic mass of zinc is 65. कितने atom है? Into 1 plus oxygen का कितना है? 16 into 1. So let's calculate. After calculate, we'll get 81U. So the atomic mass unit of zinc oxide is 81U. Come on to the 13th question. Which of the following represent the correct correlation between Avogadro's number, that is N0, number of particle, that is capital N, and number of moles, that is small n? These are the 4 options. Small n is equals to capital N divided by N0. Small n is equals to N0 divided by N. Small n is equals to capital N into N0 and D options all are correct. So let's see the relation. Number of moles is equals to कितना होता है? Given number of particles, जितने भी number of particles given होते हैं divided by Avogadro number करते हैं तो हमें number of moles मिलते हैं. उसका लिंक मैंने आई बटन में भी दे दिया है, वहाँ भी जाकर आप उसे देख सकते हैं. So number of moles is equals to small n is equals to given number of particles, that is capital N, divided by Avogadro's, that is N0. So this is the formula and this formula we'll get in option A. So the option A is the correct answer of this question. Now let's see question number 14. Oxygen is, options are monovalent, B bivalent, C trivalent, D tetravalent. Now you know that oxygen का electronic configuration 2 6 होता है. इट मीन्स उसके लास्ट वाले शेल्स में उसको 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन की नीड होती है एंड दैट्स वाई ऑलवेज ऑक्सीजन 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन करता है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ उसके ऊपर 2 नेगेटिव चार्ज आता है एंड दैट्स वाई ऑक्सीजन ऑलवेज इन बायोवेलेंट वैलेंसी शो करता है. सो द ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर, बायोवेलेंट. Come on to the question number 15. When an atom loses electron, it is called AN, filling the blanks, and has blank charge. Now you know that when any atom loses electron, जब वो अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन किसी को देता है तो उसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आता है, एंड उसके पॉजिटिव चार्ज के साथ वो केटायन होता है. सो ये वाला ऑप्शन हमें किस में दिख रहा है? A, anion and positive, cation and positive, C, anion and negative, D, cation and negative. So the B is the correct answer. So this is for all today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.